Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to cast YouTube to Firestick. Let's go. Open search. Find and install airscreen app. Scan QR code and open link. Your phone and your Firestick must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Cast. Choose your Firestick. Done. That's it. Now you know how to cast YouTube to Firestick. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.